Friends, you must have seen sci-fi movies where robots live alongside humans. But imagine one morning you wake up and see that everywhere instead of humans, artificial intelligence rules the world. In your home, a robot is preparing your breakfast. At school, an AI computer is teaching instead of a human teacher. In hospitals, machines are performing surgeries instead of doctors. And in offices, employees are replaced by AI software. Is this only a story from movies? Or is this really going to be our future? Today, we are going to uncover the biggest secrets of artificial intelligence. We will see where AI began, how far it has come, how it affects our lives today, and most importantly, will AI one day replace humans? Stay with me until the end, because what I am about to share with you today will completely change the way you think about AI. The birth and history of AI. Artificial intelligence is not a new concept. In the 1950s, a scientist named Alan Turing asked a groundbreaking question: can machines think? This was the beginning of AI research. At first, AI was only a dream. People wondered if machines could ever think like humans. In 1956, at the famous Dartmouth Conference, the term artificial intelligence was officially introduced. In the beginning, computers could only do simple calculations, but gradually, scientists started training them to think. Then came a shocking moment in 1997, when IBM's AI computer Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. Imagine, the greatest chess master in the world was defeated by a machine. Later, in 2011, another miracle happened. IBM's Watson AI competed on the famous American TV quiz show Jeopardy! And won. It beat human contestants, shocking everyone. And today, AI is everywhere. Google Maps shows you the way, Netflix recommends movies, Siri and Alexa listen and respond to your voice, and technologies like ChatGPT answer your questions. AI is no longer just a dream, it has become a reality, growing more powerful day by day. How far has AI come today? Today, AI is not just a tool, but a digital brain that has entered almost every field. Healthcare, AI analyzes X-rays and MRI scans faster and more accurately than many human doctors. Education, AI-powered apps create personalized study plans for students based on their learning style. Transport, Tesla's self-driving cars would be impossible without AI. Entertainment, AI now composes music, writes stories, and even creates movies and artworks. But the most shocking thing is deepfake technology. Today, AI can create fake videos of anyone that look completely real. For an ordinary person, it's almost impossible to tell the difference between real and fake. Imagine if one day a fake video of a world leader is spread across the internet, what kind of chaos it could cause. The benefits of AI. The benefits of AI are so significant that they cannot be ignored. 1. Speed and accuracy. Machines are faster and make fewer mistakes than humans. 2. 24/7 work. Humans get tired, but machines never do. 3. Healthcare revolution. AI can detect cancer and rare diseases at an early stage. 4. Space exploration. NASA and SpaceX rely on AI for space missions. 5. Everyday life. Google search, YouTube recommendations, online shopping suggestions, all powered by AI. In many ways, AI has already made human life easier and more comfortable. The dangers of AI, the dark side. But now let's talk about the dark side of AI, the most dangerous part. Job loss. Millions of jobs are disappearing. With driverless cars, taxi and truck drivers may lose their livelihoods. Customer support, call centers, and data entry jobs are already being automated. Deepfakes and fake news. Fake videos and manipulated news can create political and social chaos. Weapons, AI-based drones and killer robots already exist. If they fall into the wrong hands, the consequences could be disastrous. Addiction, social media algorithms powered by AI control what we watch, what we buy, and even how we think. We believe we are free, but in reality, AI controls us. The singularity, this is the greatest fear. Scientists warn that one day, AI could become so intelligent that it will start making its own decisions. And if, on that day, AI decides humans are no longer necessary, what will happen then? As Stephen Hawking once said, artificial intelligence could be the greatest achievement of humanity or its end. The future of AI. Experts say that by 2050, the world will look completely different. One best case, humans and AI work together to build a new world with no poverty, no diseases, and education for everyone. 2. Neutral case, AI remains just a tool always under human control. 3. Worst case, AI replaces humans, jobs vanish, and one day, AI might even decide that humanity itself is unnecessary. Even Elon Musk warned, AI is like summoning a demon. If we do not control it, it may turn against us. So friends, the question is, will AI replace us, or will humans and AI come together to build a better world? The future is not yet written. It depends on us on how we use AI. If we understand it and control it wisely, AI can become our greatest strength. But if we ignore it, AI might become our biggest enemy. What do you think? Will AI replace humans, or will humans and AI create the future together? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we are bringing you even more secrets of the world, one by one.